In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix VS Code not opening in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So basically, if VS Code isn't opening in Windows, it's usually caused by a corrupted install, extension issues, or even background process conflicts. So I'm going to start with the most common fixes first. So fix number one is to kill your background VS Code process. So sometimes it's already running but stuck. So go ahead and open up Task Manager. So right click the Windows key, click in the Task Manager, or you can click onto Control Shift Escape. Now look for in your Processes tab, look for Visual Studio Code. So scroll down and just go ahead and right click it and click on End Task, and then try opening up VS Code again. Now broken extensions can block startup. So to fix this, we can go ahead and go and open up Run. So Windows key and R, and you're going to open up Run, and then go ahead and put in this. So it's code disable extensions with some dashes in between, and click on OK. Then if it opens, uninstall recently added extensions. Now fix number three is to delete corrupted cache files. So open up Run again, your Windows and R, and go ahead and type this code in. So this is %appdata%code. Click on OK. Now we want to go ahead, once we open that up, you want to delete the folders inside, anything with cache, cache data, or GPU cache, and then try opening up VS Code again. Fix number four is to open up Visual Studio Code as administrator. So type in Visual Studio Code, right click it, and click on Run as administrator. Now the last fix is check your Windows Update. So we want to go ahead and click into Settings. So do a search, click Settings. On the bottom left hand side, click on Windows Update, and if there are any updates, go ahead and run them, install them, restart your PC.